In today's show, the Bitcoin dominance drops to an 8-month low. Is alt season finally here? We'll be breaking this down in today's episode. Also, in today's show, XRP price hits a 7-month high as BitMEX users reel from a 60% flash crash. We'll be covering this in today's episode. Also, Bitcoin just experienced its third best month ever. Only December of 2017 and June of 2019 closed higher. We'll be breaking down what popular crypto analysts Plan B of the stock to flow model has to share. And today we'll also be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, Bitcoin is back on the decline, but the alts, many of them, are surging. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news as soon as it's released. And before we kick off today's episode, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into this BTC dominance dropping to an 8-month low. And is alt season finally amongst us? Let's discuss it. Bitcoin started to consolidate just above the 10,000 mark, but altcoins are still climbing, which has pushed the BTC dominance to an 8-month low. Has the alt season finally arrived? Well, since the beginning of this year, the Bitcoin market share has declined by almost 11%. By the end of last year, it topped 70%. A lot of people were saying the dominance was going to climb to 95%, a lot of Bitcoin maximalists. But today, it dropped to 62.5%, according to Tradingview.com. This is the lowest it has been since early July of 2019, as we can see right here in this graph on your screen. So Bitcoin itself has made around 44% this year. Holy moly. And a climb from just under 7,200 to top out at 10.5 a couple of days ago. These gains are impressive when compared to any other asset such as gold, which has only managed just over 4% in the same period. So would you prefer 44% gains with Bitcoin or 4% gains with gold? Both safe haven assets, but Bitcoin obviously superior. So in the world of cryptos, these gains have been eclipsed by some of the altcoins, several of which have surged by 3 figures since the beginning of the year. Total market cap itself is up over 60% since New Year's Day as the rest of the cryptos outperform their big bro. Total crypto market cap topped 300 billion this week. We're still above 300 billion, FYI. And this is the highest it's been since early August of last year. The move has not gone unnoticed by crypto traders who are now turning bullish on altcoins as the hopium of an alt season slowly returns. And taking a look at this tweet from Escobar, he wrote hashtag Bitcoin dominance 3D TF. This is aging very well with XRP, Bitcoin, and Ether Bitcoin pairs both looking incredibly bullish. Can see the Bitcoin dominance only continuing to fall from here. My scenario might just play out. Alts are back, baby. He also added to that tweet, I haven't been this bullish on altcoins in a long time. We gonna be eating fucking good soon, boys. We've only seen the test pump so far. Wink. Now let's discuss some of the top performing altcoins. Ethereum is one of the year's top performing crypto assets with a surge of almost 120% since January 1st when it was priced at a low $130. The Ethereum market cap has now topped 30 billion, which has clearly eaten into the Bitcoin's market share. As a percentage though, it is only 16% of the Bitcoin cap, so Ethereum has yet a long way to go. Ripple's XRP token, and we're going to be covering XRP more thoroughly here in today's show, has also been trading very well lately. It gained 72% since the beginning of the year, also beating Bitcoin to the delight of company CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Bitcoin Cash has done even better with a surge of 136% in 2020, which is triple the gains of its bigger brother has enjoyed. Bitcoin's other fork, Satoshi Vision, has also been on fire with a whopping 260% pump from under $100 to current levels. Even Litecoin has almost doubled in price this year from $40 40 to 80, and EOS has made similar gains of around 100%. One of the years and 2019's top performing crypto assets have been Tezos, which has solidified its top 10 positions with a surge of 160% this year to a new all-time high and 680% since the beginning of 2019. So with this all in mind and the fall in the Bitcoin dominance, it could finally be the beginning of an alt season. What are your thoughts? Drop me a comment right down below. Do you think this is officially alt season? Now, before we dig deep into the XRP price and what's going on with Ripple XRP, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, Bitcoin is in the red, down 0.68%, trading at about $10,200. It tested that 10.5 resistance several times in the past few days, but each and every time it's been knocked back down by the bears. We need to see Bitcoin close above 10.5 to continue its upwards trajectory. Now, Ethereum is still pumping, up 3.4%, trading at $280. XRP pumping a lot, right? Over the past couple days, it's now up 1%, trading at 33 cents. Miss Litecoin is in the red, trading at $80. EOS down 2%, trading at $5.21. BNB is up 1%, trading at $26. So as you can see, it's a mix. Some coins are pumping and some are correcting, as Bitcoin is right now. But overall, I think a correction is very healthy for the market. Now let's discuss this XRP price hitting a 7-month high as BitMEX users reel in from a 60% flash crash. BitMEX continues to field major criticism and even anger from traders who lost huge amounts of money in the flash crash involving the altcoin XRP. The crash, which occurred on February 13th, saw XRP fall 60% from 33 cents to just 13 cents for 2 seconds. That's quick. That's pretty crazy. So XRP crashes on BitMEX. In that time, traders complained, measures designed to prevent liquidations and positions failed to activate, and BitMEX automatically erased their entire balances. That's sad, if you ask me. BitMEX is well known for offering trades with significant leverage. In the case of XRP, traders are able to leverage by up to 50 times. And also, you got to be very, very careful when trading cryptocurrency with leverage because you can get wiped out just like we experience here, what I'm talking about. Following the event, the company issued a statement defending its reaction, saying the platform was functional as normal. Come on now. We understand traders' frustration when prices move quickly against their positions, a tweet read. Well, that's not normal, right? That shouldn't have happened. Should it have? Let me know in the comments below. So at press time, XRP is back at 33 cents, which is where we're currently at, a 7-month high, having instantly rebounded after the sudden dip. Nonetheless, those affected had anything but recovered because guess what? All their positions got liquidated. And guess who won? The house, BitMEX. Arthur Hayes, right? Not getting back a penny. Outright criminal. Startup investor Mark Day Knowing wrote on Twitter. Let's actually check out his tweet. He wrote, not getting back a penny. Outright criminal. This only occurred on BitMEX. Nowhere else. All in a matter of seconds. No liquidity to back up the move. They claim their insurance fund acted in a way to reduce the damage. What kind of reduction exactly? 62% scam. Wick. LOL. What are your thoughts? I agree. I don't believe that was right. Shouldn't have happened, and they should do right by it, in my honest opinion. BitMEX launched the new XRP product earlier this month. At the time, CEO Arthur Hayes appeared to joke about the coin's legitimacy. Hours before the flash crash, he issued another post about the XRP price growth, which topped 25% in the past few days alone. Here's what Arthur Hayes, the BitMEX CEO, tweeted. Cripple the shorts. Pro tip. The buy and sell buttons are both equally profitable regardless of whether or not you are trading a turd. So he's directly dissing XRP, even though he's the one who added this pair to his platform. Interesting, right? And checking out some of the replies to his tweet, this guy Michael responded, the statements you make reflect negatively on the bitmex.com. Very unprofessional and childlike. Jicky Bro responded, Arthur, you have not heard that the CEO comes with the responsibility of being professional. Your posts are what we would expect from a person below the bell curve. Think you might need some coaching on how to be ethical. Michael responded, Ripple has done more for regulation than anyone else has in the crypto industry. Keep talking shit, Arthur. It's making you look foolish. Yas responded, do not forget to boycott Crypto Hayes as his shitty exchange boycott Bitrex. Show him all the love you have for him. Crypto Buddha responded, look yourself in the mirror first, dude, and ask yourself, who am I? What am I? You need it seriously. So as you can see from some of these responses, people are not feeling Arthur Hayes and BitMEX for what they're doing. BitMEX's insurance fund, which the company says is not intended for use in situations such as this XRP event, currently stands at 34,328 Bitcoin, valued today at $352 million. So what are your thoughts? Do you feel the company should allocate this insurance fund and reciprocate some of the losses from this XRP flash crash? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And in other crypto news, Bitcoin just experienced its third best month of all time. Only December of 2017 and June of 2019 closed higher. In December of 2017, we saw Bitcoin close at $13,880, and June of 2019, it closed at $10,760. So this is pretty bullish for Bitcoin. And taking a look at some of the replies to this tweet from Plan B, we have Shadab, who responded with the historical Valentine Day prices for Bitcoin. Back in 2012, it was $5. 2013, $25. 2014, $623. 2015, we've seen a bit of a dip to $249. In 2016, $399. In 2017, $1,008. And then 2018, a massive surge to $9,000. And then in 2019, we corrected down to $3,500. And where we are today for 2020 Valentine's Day, which is above $10,200. Roland responded, Bitcoin is the drunk and the stock to flow is the road home. Bitcoin wanders all over the road, sometimes stopping, slipping up, and missing a turn here and there, or even taking shortcuts along the way. But generally, she will follow the road home. Touche. Rhinosaurus Rex responded, I want 2020 to be the best year for Bitcoin ever until 2021. Anything less, I'll be furious. I'm right there with you, bro. Ken Stalker responded, I think your Bitcoin stock to flow model paper is going to wind up as one of the documents that history books will include as one of the most important documents of this era. The current crypto market cap is sitting at $305 billion with $154 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And the current Bitcoin dominance is 61% even. So it continues taking a step back as surge continue to break out. Now taking a look at the top 100 cryptos by market cap. Let's start by looking at the top gainers. We have Wax up 64%, trading at almost 8 cents. Bytecoin up 46%, trading at 0.0006. Golem up 31%, trading at 8.5 cents. Sia Coin up 20%, trading at 0.003. ALF up 18%, trading at almost 15 cents. And Ion up 12%, trading at 14.5 cents. And now for the biggest losers in the top 100, Quant leading the pack down 5%, trading at $4.61. Swipe down 3%, trading at $1.36. Terra down 2.9%, trading at 27 cents. Molecular Future down 2.8%, trading at $1.16. Hedera down 2%, trading at 5 cents. And Seal down 2%, trading at 9 cents. Now checking this out, these are the top losers. For the top loser in the top 100 to only be down 5%, that's a pretty bullish sign for the altcoins, because there's actually not that many in the red when you talk about the grand scheme of things. So most of the alts right now are actually in the green. And checking out the BitMEX margins, this tells a lot of the story. Shorts are currently dominating, leading with about 107 million in superiority in the last 24 hours. And this is very unusual to see such a dramatic difference. But right now, most of the market is shorting Bitcoin, at least according to BitMEX, right? The largest derivatives exchange in the world. Owner, Arthur Hayes, the CEO. Anyways, shorts are leading 56% versus 43% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated a 64 in greed. Yesterday was a 63 in greed, and last week was a 56 in greed, and last month was a 53, which is neutral. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So according to this, right, the Greed and Fear Index, we're currently in greed, so we can expect a correction in the crypto market. And now taking a look at the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown, we have 86 days, 20 hours, 2 minutes, and 40 seconds left to go. But, you know, who's counting? I know I am. We do a countdown every single day here on the show leading up to the halving to help spread awareness. And what you can do to help is just share the show. Comment down below. Let me know if you're excited. What do you think is going to happen to the Bitcoin price as we continue inching closer to this infamous event, which is going to happen in May of this year? Do you think the Bitcoin prices will continue to climb? Do you think the alt season will take control as the BTC dominance continues to pull back? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And I want to remind you that below this video, I encourage you to check out the show more in the description so you can actually check out a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. And every single episode, that's right, every single video, I include these resources, which include the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. This is updated every single day, so you can download the latest episode. We're also on all the major podcasting platforms, including iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, TuneIn, and the list goes on and on. So please help support the show with whatever community you're already active in. Download, listen, share. It's much appreciated. Of course, we're on Twitter. Be sure to follow us for the latest crypto news updates. And we do have a private crypto Facebook group, now over 17,000 strong. All you need to do to become a part of it is click the link, request to join, and I'll make sure you get plugged in. And I also have a private crypto Telegram group. All you need to do to become a part of this is click the link from a mobile device, and you'll be added. And I look forward to plugging you in to the community. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this crypto matrix. If you got value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below the video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.